Hello, in this video I will be unboxing BIGBANG's Mini Lightstick Ring, Lightstick Keyring. So I'll show you the details of the front. I bought a white one because it has two versions, the black one and the white one, but I bought the white one because that's the only one that the seller sells, and it's practically sold out in all the YG Select websites. Plus, I already have the version 4 lightstick, which this is modeled after, and the lightstick that I bought is black because my version 3 lightstick is white since it's the only variant. Anyway, that was the front. This is the side. This is the back. So I'll show you the details of the back. Unfortunately, it doesn't really say what type of battery it has, and I do not have the right tools at the moment to know which battery it needs because the screwdriver is really small. So that was the other side, and this is the bottom, and the top would show you Big Bang, of course. So opening it, there's this thing which keeps it upright. I'm not sure if it should come with an instruction manual, but so far these are what I got when I bought it online. I'll link down below from where I bought it from. So this is the lightstick keyring. I guess for scale I would put my lens cap. So if you have a lens cap of kit lens, 18 to 55 millimeter kit lens, it would be like so. So getting that out of the way. These are the screws, which I can't open because I don't have the right screwdriver for its size, where the batteries are. So at the top it would look like so. This is white, so I assume in the black version this would be black. And this little details, I think these might get lost easily because my portable charger version 2 lost one of these, and I'm really upset about it. I shouldn't have brought it to work so I wouldn't have lost it. So the front would have this is the switch where you turn it on and off. This is in the real light stick, you would just have to press this one, and this would be the reaction mode chain switch. And then I really like the keyring. It won't easily come off. Yeah, at the back. So it's really handy, it's really small. So time to light it up. Unfortunately, it's very it's very difficult to turn on, and the light isn't really prominent since the battery is very weak. So I'm not sure if you see the lights at this point. I'll turn off the rest of the lights. As you can see, you can just see the LED lights. The lights are really weak right now, but I guess I'll upload another video which would, if I can change the batteries. But so far that's what it looks like. When I turn it into different angles, you can really see the light. So yeah, I'll turn it on again. So if I turn it this way, it's not really the light's not really coming off nicely. So yeah, later on I'll upload my light collection so far. And that's it. Thank you for watching.